There's so many things that benefited from being part of the center and being a postdoc, especially from QUT. And it's from early career academic opportunities like mentorships, being part of a team that guides me and teaches me how to apply for grants or awards, publications, so many things. I cannot list them all. Being part of the center has led me to collaborate with so many other people, and somehow has made the work more positive, there's more motivation, and also things just happen quicker. There's definitely a benefit of multiple hats thinking into one project. Now I have the chance to bring design theories from my background, industrial design, into the morphology and the interaction with robots. So what's next for me is delving into those design theories and seeing how the impact on robot acceptance, user acceptance, and trust.